Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel, and in the previous video I showed you how to make an M&M's cookie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a blackberry cake. And to start off I'm going to be whisking together the 150 grams of caster sugar, and to that I'm going to be adding in some 100 millilitres of olive oil, then you're going to beat those with a whisk. Now I've got 3 eggs, then I'm going to beat those one at a time with a tablespoon of flour. Once all of the eggs have been beaten separately, you can add a teaspoon of flour, and this is 200 grams of self-raising flour. Now I'm going to add some self-raising flour, the remaining bit. And I'm going to add some half a teaspoon of salt. And I'm just going to whisk that in. I'm going to add in 125 mils of the 225 for the Greek yogurt. And to that, I'm going to add in one zested lemon. And I'm going to add in some teaspoon of vanilla extract. And give this a little mix through before we add the strawberries, before we add the blackberries. I can put in a cake tin. I'll go grease on a cake tin with the olive oil. What you should do is to use the Springform cake for this. What I can do is to push in 150 grams of blackberries, you gotta push it in like this with the cake mixture that was in the tin. And that's it, that's done. What you need to do is to put this cake in it. I preheated the oven to 180. You're going to put this in for 40 to 45 minutes until it is completely clean. You're going to test it and poke it in the middle until it is clean enough. Say for 45 minutes. Now onto the strawberry sauce. I got 150 grams of the 200 of blackberries. Now I've got some icing sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. Now this is the small saucepan. You have to I got half a juice of lemon. Got juice of half a lemon. I'll just put that in and make it all syrupy and saucy. Once it's all syrupy and saucy, now we can move to the next thing. Now for the creamy bit. What I'll put in is the remaining part of the yogurt. 300 ml of double cream and 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. What I'm just going to do is I'm going to whip up until it's form nice soft cakes. Now what I want you to do is to get the batter off the balloon whisk. Now I've taken 2 tablespoons of the syrupy mixture. Now I'm going to fold this through until it has a ripple effect. Now we're going to top the cake off with this mixture that I did. By creating this something with that created a ripple effect. So you're going to spread it all around the top of the cake. Next thing we're going to add is the sauce, remaining sauce from the saucepan. Now to top it all off is 50 grams of blackberries, ta-da, I made you this cake that I showed you. Now if you like this recipe, I wanted to have more of the recipes by me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.